Today we're going to talk about running a team in your cleaning business. Let's go. Hi, I'm Kelly. This is Amazing Business, where I am here to help you start, grow, or develop your own cleaning business. And today we are going to talk about the hardest thing you will do, bar none, inside of your cleaning business, and that is run a team, grow a team, monitor a team. So today we're going to talk about 3 main strategies and 3 main policies I would really advise you put into your business. The reasons why is because you are giving your reputation, your brand, and your good name to other people. So we need to make sure that they keep delivering the message consistently about your great service and your great cleaning. So without further ado, let's crack on. Just as a little disclaimer, I'm not going to be talking about recruitment today, recruitment policies, how to interview, yada yada. There will be a link that will appear and it will also be available at the end of the video. Recruitment is a very, very big topic. So today we're just talking about running a team, okay? So the first policy or the first strategy I would like you to think about is your induction process. So we've interviewed the cleaner, we're happy with the cleaner, we've referenced the cleaner, we want them on our team. Now the induction is the very first impression after interview your cleaner will get of your business. I always think you should start as you mean to go on. So the induction should set the tone for the standards, for the expectation, for the culture of your business. So with your induction policy, start thinking about how you onboard your staff. What is the process when they first come to your offices or your home, wherever you run your business, before they go out cleaning? Do you have a set structure? Does everybody that comes through your doors go through the exact same structure so they understand the requirements, they understand the techniques, and they understand, more importantly, the expectations that your business and you expect from them? The second strategy or policy I would like you to look at and think about within your cleaning business is how you train your cleaners. So once you've done the induction and you've given them their uniform and you've given them their bag of cloths and their bag of cleaning products or wherever it is you supply, then what happens? Do you put them on a buddy scheme? Do you pair them with somebody else and they clean a house together? All cleaners should be trained in exactly the same way, with exactly the same products and exactly the same cloths, so that it becomes a process. From your client's point of view, they shouldn't know whether Betty or Barbara cleaned their house. They shouldn't know whether it was Steve or Mike that cleaned their office. The cleaning standards should be the same. Okay, strategy number 3. Point number 3 is you must have in place a strategy or a policy to monitor your cleaning staff. So we've given them a lovely induction, we've gone through the contract, we've gone through the handbook, we've took them on site, we've given them on-site training, we've gone and checked their work repeatedly over the course of a week or 2 weeks, and then we've set them free into the world to bring their cleaning magic to your clients. But that's not where it ends. You have to regularly keep on top of your cleaners. The reason why is because it's hard work, it's tough going, cleaners will get complacent, and regular spot checks will help keep on top of consistency of your service levels, and it will also help your staff know that this is a real deal company with consequences and that you as the manager care deeply about the experience that the client receives. I also find that that's a very good selling tool to your clients, that you say to them, we regularly check your premises. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to the channel for new content every Wednesday. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate your time. Be back here next Wednesday when we are going to be talking about how to run your clients. Yes, really. Until then, you have a very good week. Bye-bye.